Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be transforming my hair. I'm going to be taking the braids out, and then I'm going to be washing it, then I'm going to be cutting it, and then I'm just going to be bleaching it into like highlights. So if that's interesting to you, then stay tuned. Before I get started, I want to encourage you to like the video if you like it, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see me more often. And if you want to see me and engage with me or send me video ideas between uploads, you can look down below in the description. There will be links to my Instagram and my TikTok, and either one is fine. You can follow me or send me DMs on there. Let's get into it. Oh my gosh, my bathroom is such a mess. Okay, so I'm basically just going to get in the shower now and wash it. I'm not gonna record myself washing my hair because I've already done a video of how I wash my hair and the whole steps and the processes of doing that. So if you want to check that out. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower, so I'm just gonna style my hair right quick. I'm using a Wetline Extreme. I have not seen my hair in a brick, and I've not ever had my natural hair out while my eyebrows are gone. So that's gonna be new. By the way, this is the first time I've ever done anything to my hair like this, so if it comes out looking a hot fucking mess, I'm gonna find a way to rock it regardless. We don't take L's on this channel. Okay, so I have to make sure that the pieces in the front are well defined so that when I'm ready to go in with the bleach and whatnot, that I know what pieces I want to look what type of way, you know? You guys like my t-shirt? Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how I cut it. Okay, so we're back and my hair is dry, so I'm basically gonna show you how I cut this joint now. So I watched a video that Mondo made. He hasn't done a video on cutting curly hair, I don't believe, but I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna take what he told his viewers to do in that video and kind of like mix it with the way I cut my hair last time. I don't just fucking go in. It's like a feel as you go type of process, because with curly hair, especially like with my type of hair texture, and probably anything more kinky and coily beyond this, you need to kind of get a feel for what you're doing. You can't just go straight in and cut, because you know you're gonna have people have shrinkage and stuff, like you don't really know where to be cutting. So you should probably lay it like this. Make sure you do it before you cut it, just so that you know like how your hair naturally lays. Okay, so now I'm just gonna I parted it from the back. It's half and half now. So now I'm just going to part it again from the apex of my head down behind my ear, and then section it off into 4 sections. As you can see, I've separated my hair into 4 sections, and I'm gonna be putting rubber bands, well, not black, probably like colored ones, so that I know where to cut. And I'm gonna be using these to tie off the ends of my hair all around, just to make sure that I'm getting everything nice and even, so that my hair falls at pretty much the same length. And then after that, I'm gonna cut layers, which is gonna look a little differently on curly hair than straight hair, so I'll come back and explain that. Sorry I'm not able to film myself doing it. Look, I really need to get up close and personal in the camera, in the fucking mirror in my bathroom. So anyway, once you do, I can link the video down below of how he did it, and you can basically do it yourself. But for curly hair, I'm definitely not going to do it exactly the way that he did it in his video. So I am going to be just kind of eyeballing it here, and I don't have like hair cutting scissors. I have these fucking arts and craft fucking scissors, but they're sharp. I've made sure to find some that were sharp. I'm not gonna just cut straight across, because you never want to cut your hair straight across, and I learned that the hard way. But I'll still probably throughout the day or the week even just kind of even it up as I see fit. It's gonna make a damn mess, I already know. Fuck my natural hair, bro. Fuck this shit. This is so fucking hard. Cutting your hair is so sad. My hair looked like shit before. Hopefully it comes out better this time. I didn't cut shit off. I want to cut more, bro. I want my hair to be like short as fuck. But I don't know. I said I'll just trim it, right? If it ends up looking rough, I'll just cut it. Ugh, I love short hair. I've never had short hair. My hair grows so fast. I didn't cut all the way off. I just kind of left a small little tuft here. Next. Yes, that's good for now. We have a little tuft. We have a tuft on both sides. Now, the fun part, which is doing my hair in the back. All right, so this is what we have now. You want the back to be shorter than the front, like not too much shorter, okay? But if it is shorter than the front, then that's good, because my hair before, the back, it was like triangled at the back, so that the longest piece of hair was. If you have too much hair in the front, you can always cut it and even it up, but if you don't have enough hair in the front, you're fucked. I have to keep cutting and cutting and cutting to make shit look even, and then you're just in a mess, right? It's better to have too much hair in the front that you can cut and shave down, rather than have too much hair in the back and you can't fucking see how to cut it, you know? I'm gonna just go ahead here and cut my little bang joints. Okay, so now my hair is sectioned off into 4 sections that go behind my ear yet again. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Get my rubber bands again. And I'm going to basically just part this out here. Basically, I just went through here and with one of my first section so that it's like half and half, you know. So pull it with the tension to the top, put a rubber band, like that. It's gonna fall weird. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this process to the rest of my hair, and then I'll come back and I will cut layers. Now that I've done that on both sides, I'm just going to snip, 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 snip. You want it to feel tufty, you know, like kind of like it's going upwards. It needs to have some kind of shape to it, because if you have too many pieces like fraying off in different directions, it's not gonna like really be cut. Like you're still gonna have length on there. I'm gonna do the same thing here now with the sections on the back. Like I said, throughout the week, when you wet it again and it shrinks up and, you know, stretches out, you'll get to see what curls are thinner, what curls are thicker, what curls are prone to shrinkage, and which ones kind of lay the way that they are. So then you'll be able to see which parts still need to be clipped. I'll do these two now and try to even them out. So now that that's done, I'm gonna take these rubber bands off. Alright, so now we're in the bathroom. Okay, so here we are, finished cutting my hair. And so now I'm gonna be mixing this shit. And I'm using plastic bowl and spoon, 1 to 1.5. Okay. I've been waiting for this one. I'm gonna section off the back. Cut that in half and section that off as well with a different hair tie. Now, bro, if this turns out like shit, 20 volume cream developer. Let's do a mixy. Wait, it didn't work out. Okay, I got the OLAPLEX joint. So if this shit fucks up my hair, I got a backup plan. I got a backup plan, bitch. Just put a little bit of that in. Just for insurance. This how it's looking. Mama Avery's no bitch. Let's just do it. Like rough. It's already starting to get loose. Kill me now. Girl, I'm just crumpling this. I don't have time. My hair is like, why are you doing this to me? I take out now. Okay, now we have our highlights. I'm gonna wash it and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. My squealy, my baby, say hello. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Nico doesn't care. Nico doesn't care at all. Honestly, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really good. Okay, y'all, so that basically brings us to the end of the video. I don't know, I think it looks pretty decent, all things considered. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Just thinking about the fact that I bought this on Amazon and it could easily just be like cat piss in a bottle and I wouldn't know the difference.